Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you guys how to recreate this fairy blossom look. So if you would like to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, so I went ahead and I did my eyebrows off camera using the Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade medium brown, and then I cleaned it up using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in this shade 16N Fair Light Neutral. We're gonna go ahead and prime the skin using the Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. I also am gonna go ahead and prime using the Professional Hydrate Primer from Benefit, and I'm gonna take this on my pores. Alrighty, so I'm gonna let that sit into the skin very quickly before I go in with my foundation. I'm gonna take my NARS foundation in the shade Gobi. I like to do my eyes when I'm baking, just in case I have fallout. It won't ruin my makeup, you know? Yup. And this foundation is medium to full coverage, and it's it's kind of matte but kind of dewy. Now that I look so pale, I just love to blend my foundation, that way it doesn't get cakey. Now for concealer, I'm gonna go in with the same concealer that I used to clean up my eyebrows. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of cream contouring. This is the LA Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. Flawless Concealer Brush. So first I like to blend it with a brush, that way it stays pretty crisp and sharp. And then I'll go in with my sponge, and then I will blend it all out, and it won't look so harsh. And then I'll take my sponge and I will set my under eyes. Now that that's set, now I'm gonna bake. So I'll put a lot of powder under here. This is the process. Trust the process, okay? So for the eye look, we're gonna go ahead and use the Daisy Marquez palette from BH Cosmetics. And I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the shade Daisy. But anyways, I am using the Morphe 537 brush. Let me just make sure. Yeah, the 537 brush. Okay. So I'll probably extend it out just a tad. Still using that same shade. You're gonna go ahead and get a smaller brush, and I'm gonna take that shade Daisy, and I'm gonna go ahead and press it onto my eyelid. And now with my finger, I'm gonna go in with the shade called Dream, which is this blue right here. And I'm gonna take it on my finger and I'm gonna pop it on the lid. And I'll use that same packing brush to just grab that same shade Dream, which is the shimmer shade. And then I'll go ahead and apply it where my finger couldn't really reach. You can either do like your eye makeup at the beginning or towards the middle, which is what I do. Hopefully my face doesn't stain green, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side, and then I will be right back, okay? Alrighty, so I went ahead and I finished the eye off of camera. I am now removing the bake that I had on my smile lines and under my eyes, and just removing any extra powder. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and apply some mascara and some falsies. The lashes I will be using today are from the Makeup Shack in the style Dubai, which are my favorite lashes. Honestly, like, they top all my other lashes. These are the lashes that I will always go back to, like, no matter what. I'm gonna go ahead and apply them off of camera, and then I will be right back. Alrighty guys, so the eyelashes are on. This is what they look like. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the face. We're gonna finish off the face and then we'll jump back into the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up the face using the Wet n Wild What Shady Beaches bronzer. Now for blush, I'll be using the blush from Milani in the shade Luminoso. And for highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and use the same highlighter from Wet n Wild, which is in the shade Golden Flower Crown. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go ahead and set the face so that we can highlight. I went ahead and I used the All Nighter setting spray by Urban Decay. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Golden Flower Crown. And then don't be afraid to put a lot. Don't be shy, put some more.
Don't be shy, put some more. Put some more.
I love TikTok. If you guys don't follow me on TikTok, go ahead and follow me there. I thought this had a mirror, but it doesn't. Follow me on TikTok. It's baby girl Jocelyn. We're gonna go back into the eyes to finish off the eyes, and I'm gonna take that shade Daisy on the lower lash line. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. Alrighty, so now for the lips, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with the Morphe Love Bite lip liner. Alrighty, and now that I have lined my lips, I'm gonna go in with the Kylie liquid lipstick in the shade Exposed. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the inner corner using the shade Icy from the same palette. Alrighty guys, so this does complete the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.
You so bad, yeah, and baby I want you so bad, yeah. You so bad, yeah, and baby I want you so bad, yeah.